you seeking a trading platform that not only meets but exceeds your expectations? Deriv X offers an unmatched level of customization, empowering you to tailor your trading environment precisely to your preferences. Experience the freedom of 24/7 trading accessibility, providing unparalleled opportunities to capitalize on market movements. With clear and transparent margin information, you can make informed decisions with confidence. Dive into the depths of market analysis with Deriv X's robust tools, enabling you to track progress, learn from historical trades, and conduct in-depth technical analysis. Explore a vast array of tradable assets across multiple markets, from forex and commodities to cryptocurrencies and derived indices. Seamlessly navigate a user-friendly interface designed to enhance your trading experience. Embrace the future of trading with Deriv X, where every detail is crafted with your success in mind. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade to Deriv X today and discover a whole new world of trading possibilities. Your journey to success starts here.
In this video, we'll go through how to create an account on Deriv X and how to log in to start trading. There are two types of accounts on Deriv X: synthetic, where you can trade on synthetic indices, and financial, where you can trade CFDs on forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. To create a Deriv X account, log into your Deriv account and choose Deriv X from the app switcher on the top. This will bring you to the Deriv X dashboard. Create a real account to trade with real money, or go for a demo account to practice trading risk-free with virtual funds. In this example, we'll create a demo synthetic account. In the Demo Account tab, click Add Demo Account and fill in a password. You now have a Deriv X Demo Synthetic account. Your username and password will be the same for all future Deriv X accounts. Now, let's log in to the Deriv X platform to start trading. To log into the Deriv X platform and start trading, you need to use the username and password on the Deriv X dashboard. Copy the username on your dashboard and click Trade on Web Terminal. Paste your username and fill in your Deriv X password to log into the platform. You are now logged in and ready to start trading. To trade on the Deriv X mobile app, log in with your username from your dashboard and the password you have set for your Deriv X account. If you want to practice trading on different assets or start trading with real money, go back to the dashboard and select your preferred account type. Click Add Account and remember to use the same password. To start trading on your new account, you'll need to log out of your currently open Deriv X session on the platform and log back in again to start trading with your new account. You can select which account to trade on from the account switcher on the top right corner of the platform. On mobile, go to the Menu tab and click the account to access the account switcher. Trade CFDs on synthetic indices, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities now on Deriv X.